As I mentioned earlier today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard oral arguments in the case of former high school football coach Joe Kennedy, who was fired for praying in public on the 50-yard line after football games. Here to tell us more about what happened today at the nation's high court is FRC's Mary Szoch reporting from the steps of the Supreme Court.
Thanks, Tony. Just hours ago, the Supreme Court heard oral arguments in Kennedy v. Bramerton School District, the Supreme Court case that will determine whether a high school football coach can engage in 15 seconds of prayer following a football game. During oral arguments, Justice Clarence Thomas's comments affirmed that Coach Kennedy's prayer time did not fall during his duties as coach. Paul Clement pointed out that Coach Kennedy did not compel or require any players to join him in prayer at the 50-yard line, though all were free to do so if they chose to on their own. Justices Kagan and Sotomayor showed their hostility towards religious freedom and free speech by arguing that Coach Kennedy's actions praying for 15 seconds after the game could be seen as coercive to 16-year-olds who strive to endear themselves to their teachers and coaches. As Paul Clement pointed out, however, the efforts of 16-year-olds to endear themselves to their teachers and coaches are not, in fact, limited to religious activities. If we begin to characterize Coach Kennedy's actions as coercion, we limit all free speech and freedom of religion activities of every teacher and coach. Back to you, Tony.
Thanks, Mary.